Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the flange. Still using the screwdriver, unscrew the plastic lock on the filter, then remove it. Take out the filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in. Put the plastic lock back in place, paying careful attention to put it the right way so that the screwing is easier. Then screw it back on. Using the Phillips screwdriver, rescrew all the holding screws. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.